Hello, my name's Eric Wallace, and I have the privilege of serving as the System Chief Nursing Officer for Henry Ford Health. One of the things you may not know about Henry Ford Health is that we have an incredible relationship, not only with the communities that we serve here in the United States, but also with our communities just across the river in Canada. Part of that relationship is that we have today over 600 nurses who are Canadian citizens that work in one of our hospitals. We've developed several programs that help to support them, whether it is help in obtaining visas, or even just daily, how do you commute from Canada to the United States across the bridge of the tunnel? It's an important aspect of what we do each and every day to support these members of our family.
One of the reasons I came to Henry Ford because I knew of its amazing reputation. The reason I've stayed at Henry Ford for so long is because I know I'm part of something great. As a nurse coming from Canada, whether you cross the bridge or the tunnel, starting at Henry Ford Hospital is like jumping 10 years ahead into the medical future.
What attracted me to working at Henry Ford was the environment, the people, the benefits, of course. It's a family-like vibe here. Everyone's friendly. There is lots of opportunity to move up in your nursing position as well as further your education. And they do support you with education reimbursement, which is quite generous.
I graduated from the University of Windsor in Canada, and we don't have a Trauma 1 center there. And we always learned about the hospitals on the other side of the border, and the fact that Henry Ford Hospital was a Trauma 1 center. It was always our interest to be a part of something big like that, to be working for a Trauma 1 center. So I started my career here at Henry Ford Hospital on a pulmonary medicine unit. I realized very early on that the organization focused on putting the right people in the right positions, and all those leaders that had an influence on my growth are really the reason to why I feel even more inspired to continue establishing myself and strive for that goal as to become a leader.
So originally what drew me to Henry Ford was how close it was to the border. Orientation was huge. In Canada, we only get about 2 weeks of orientation and then they kind of throw you onto the floor. Whereas here you get like 12 weeks at least, and then you have the option to extend. So definitely a lot more help here. And also the exchange rate definitely helps too.
I hope if you're looking for an opportunity to develop your skills, grow your career, or just find that next challenge, that you'll consider Henry Ford Health as your next work family.